Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, back from the North Carolina Demos quarterly meeting and staying with my team lead Libby for a couple of days. We had a great time crafting. I'm going to do an unboxing today, and I will do it in two parts. The DSPs that I got were ones I ordered and ones that I shared with Libby, so there are enough of them that I will do that as a separate video. This is a combination of the holiday catalog and Sale-A-Bration items. Everything goes live on 8/1, and I have catalogs here to send out to my customers as soon as I move. I move tomorrow to South Carolina, and then I will get those out in the mail to you guys who are signed up customers in my customer manager tool within Stampin' Up. All right, so first let's do embossing folders. This embossing folder is called Time Worn Type. It is a 6x6, and it indeed has some texture to it as well as type elements, and it looks very cool. So that is a close-up of it. The next one, I had to get the musical notes. Here it is, up close, and here is the pattern up close. Timber is a wood texture. Kind of looks like you've a burned wood texture with lots of knots. 6x6. And then the last one that I got is an interesting one. It is literally called Star Crossed, and it looks like this on the cover, and that is exactly what it is. It is half squares and half stars, so those will be fun. I bought some embellishments, brushed metallic adhesive backed dots and matte decorative dots in kind of the basic primary type colors, focusing on Christmas and fall tones. I got some trims. This trim is diamond weave ribbon. It is a crocheted ribbon. 2 rolls of glittered organdy in white that I will be able to color. I opened this up because these are very dainty. Oh, that is, I have the air conditioning going. Very dainty Aurora Borealis AB white. The paper is flat on the back, and it's iridescent on the white with on the other side with a coating, and there's lots of extra space here for punching out cool little doodads. And then these guys are very delicate. I will bring out a black mat. So those will be a very nice embellishment. I hope you can see the fun rainbow colors that they come in. Bundles. I bought quite a few bundles. This is an interesting one, so I'm going to do it first. These particular dies are called Shaded Summer Shadows dies, and they are a Sale-A-Bration free item, and they coordinate with an annual catalog stamp set called Shaded Summer. So I was very excited that I owned that, and that they come with dies, so I will not have to fussy cut them. The second set for the holidays, I got all my holiday stamping and die tools for Winter is Coming Wednesdays and for Giving. And this is Sparkle of the Season, Seasonal Swirls dies. I thought that this was a great value for all that you got with it, and it does 4 different holidays. It does Happy Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. I guess I would call that 3. And it could probably go with New Year as well. So 3 holidays plus New Year. Love the wreaths. So in this holiday catalog, there are 2 cabin, there's a cabin stamp set and then a cabin stamp and die set. I opted for just the Peaceful Cabin. I was very tempted to get both of them. I really think this is going to make some beautiful Christmas cards or winter cards, and the dies are like the full length dies, so you can layer them together to look like you've got the cabin in the snowfields. And I really liked the trees. Of course, I've always looking for really nice leaves as well as textures. So I got this bundle. There's the stamp set, and here are the dies. And I hope I'm leaving just enough time for you to be able to hit pause, but not so long that the video goes too long. Okay, so the next bundle is Nature's Harvest, and it, in my mind, coordinates with Quiet Meadow. And here are the dies that you get with it. Now I have some Sale-A-Bration items. Feels Like Home, the stamp set. Textures and frames. This is not a Sale-A-Bration. This one is one that my husband chose. He loves birch trees. They are his favorite. So he picked that one for us to use, and I really like the font and the sentiments. All right, I am going to, wait, one more fun thing. That's actually, so I brought out this white pad so I could show you the new masks. The new masks are called Adorning Designs. And they have snowflakes. Stripes. I'm not really sure what I would call this. Some sort of fun design. And kind of a checkered pattern. And now I will go away and I will stop this now. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns with what I have got so far, please leave them here on the video. I will not have an article because these aren't live yet. They're not going to be live for another week or so. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.